Hi there, Mystery Baker here. Just a quick catch up with you all. I'm going to be making a wedding cake, and I thought I'd just show you how I begin the process. It's only a 2-tier cake, so I've bought some boards. There's a large 13-inch board there, and got some 6-inch boards here, okay, like this, because the bottom tier is going to sit on the board, and that's going to be an 8-inch cake, and I usually make them relatively deep, and then on top of that is going to be the 6-inch cake. I've also purchased this, and it's 2.5 kilograms of Renshaw's icing. It comes in a very big block. I've actually got some more, but I haven't got it out. I just thought I'd show you it. This icing is perfect for wedding cakes because it has such a beautiful texture, and it's easy to roll. This is called Celebration Ivory, and it's a lovely ivory colour too. It's not too cream, it's not a dirty white, it's just beautiful. So I do recommend that if you're doing a posh cake for somebody, a posh one, that you use something of a decent quality to get the perfect result that you're looking for. And then I've got my cake design here, and this is how I do it. I mean, gosh, I'm no artist, but you know. So here I've got what I'm kind of, in my head, what I'm trying to achieve. On the top of the cake is going to be some ivory roses going around with one navy rose, because they're wanting a navy themed cake. And in my head I'm thinking, navy is such a strong colour. It can sometimes be overpowering, so I'm using the navy as a very subtle accent. So I'm going to have one navy rose kind of sat on the top amongst the ivory roses. Then I'm going to have sat on the 6-inch. This is going to be a fruit cake, and then going down is going to be a swag, an ivory swag. So there's lots of ivory going on, and then an ivory rose here, and at the bottom here, and again the swags. So it's kind of, there's the look, and then above here I kind of cost it. Not the cost that you would charge somebody. I'm just costing it how much it's going to cost to make the cake. So obviously, because it's a fruit cake, it costs around £23 to make. That's in covering it as well, and things like that. And then for the vanilla cake, which is the bottom tier, that's going to be about £25. Then I've got dowels, the 2 boards, the ribbon, and I put in a contingency of amount of £5, just in case there's anything extra that I need to account for. So it costs me to make a wedding cake about, I would say, £80, because I haven't put the cost of this, and this is a little bit more expensive. This was about £17, and I've got some more to make, more vanilla to make the roses with. So that's without your time. I'm just, you know, I can cut corners, I can use cheaper ingredients, but I never do, because I want to make it how I would expect to receive a cake. You know, I want the best quality, and I want the best ingredients. So, you know, cake decorating and cake making isn't a cheap hobby. That's the only thing. But this is how I kind of go about putting a cake together before I even begin. So I'm going to be showing you a few little things as I go along with how to make the swags, etc. For this cake. And there will be a tutorial on that coming very soon. I would say at least in the next 3 weeks, because I don't have to make the swags yet. I'm baking the fruit cake, which is a Christmas cake recipe. I've got a tutorial on there of on my channel, how to make the Christmas cake recipe, but obviously I'll only be making it in a smaller quantity because it's a 6-inch cake. But as you can see, there is some kind of creativity that goes into the cake before it even begins, and it starts with the design. And everything is going to be predominantly ivory on this cake. All of the roses and the leaves will be ivory. The cake will be ivory, and then just with an accent of navy. For example, a little navy ribbon kind of at the bottom of the board. Maybe a smaller navy ribbon around the bottom of each cake. I'm not sure. I kind of go with the flow. It doesn't always turn out like my design. Sometimes I think, no, that actually doesn't look right in person. I'm going to mix it up a bit. So it might not exactly look like this when it's finished, but there's the original concept. Well, thanks for watching. As I say, the swag tutorial for this cake will be coming soon. I've never made swags before. But hey, you know, nothing ventured, nothing gained. So, you know, you can learn with me, really. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye.